Hey guys, welcome to Financial Health and Wealth, where we educate you on various ways to improve your life financially and to live long, healthy lives. Today we're going to talk about the downside of payday loans and cash advances. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, then like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll know about future videos. Let's get started. In an emergency, you might need some extra cash fast. Having your emergency fund at the ready would be ideal to cover your conundrum, but what if your emergency fund has been depleted, or you can't or don't want to use a credit card or line of credit to get through a crisis? There are two other options that are out there, a cash advance or a payday loan. But beware, these options pose some serious problems. Both carry high interest rates and both are aimed at those who are in desperate need of money on short notice. So before you commit to one of these options, let's pause and take a look at why you might be tempted to use them and how they compare to other credit products like credit cards or traditional loans. So let's look at the cash advance. If you already have a credit card, you may have noticed the cash advance rate associated with that card. Many credit cards offer a cash advance option. You would go to an ATM, retrieve cash, and the amount would be added to your card's balance. However, there's usually no grace period for cash advances. Interest would begin to accrue immediately. Furthermore, the interest rate on a cash advance may be higher than the interest rate on the credit purchases made with the same card. For example, if you buy a $25 dinner on credit, you may pay 15% interest on that purchase if you don't pay it off before the grace period has expired. On the other hand, if you take a cash advance of $25 with the same card, you may pay 25% interest, and that interest will start right away, not after the 21-day grace period. Check your own credit card terms so you're aware of the actual interest you would be charged in each situation. Now let's look at the payday loan. Many people who don't have a credit history or who have a poor credit rating may find it difficult to obtain funds on credit, so they may turn to payday lenders. They usually only have to meet a few certain minimum requirements, like being of legal age, showing proof of steady income, etc. Unfortunately, the annualized interest rates on payday loans are notoriously high, commonly reaching hundreds of percent points. A single loan at 10% over 2 weeks may seem minimal. For example, you might take a $300 loan and have to pay back $330 at your next paycheck. Cheap, right? Definitely not. If you annualize that rate, which is helpful to compare rates on different products, you get 250% interest. The same $300 charge to a 20% APR credit card would cost you $2.30 in interest over the same 2-week period, and that assumes you have no grace period. Now, why do people use payday loans? Using a cash advance in place of purchasing on credit can be hard to justify in a world where almost every merchant accepts credit cards. However, if a particular merchant only accepts cash, you may be forced to take out a cash advance. Of course, if you can pay off the advance within a day or two, and there is a fee for using a credit card, but not cash, you might actually save a little bit by paying in cash with funds from a cash advance. Now, taking a payday loan, while extremely expensive, has an obvious reason. The applicant can't obtain loans in any other way and has an immediate need for funds. The unfortunate reality is that being credit invisible can be extremely expensive, and those who are invisible or at risk of becoming invisible should start building their credit profiles, either with traditional cards or a secure card if the circumstances call for it. Then, if an emergency does arise, payday loans can be avoided. Now, thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like, subscribe button, and keep getting future content, and go ahead and tap that notification bell while you're at it. Enjoy the rest of your day.